Hey everyone, it's time for part 3, just kind of embellishing the last little bit of this little flip out journal page. So we'll just get to it. The first thing I wanted to do was just show you how I'm going to make this little flap open, and we had the video of making these, and then I just have another plain one on the back. So I am going to just kind of glue these in place over that little flap so it'll kind of act as a little bit of a handle. Just be kind of a fun way to connect the two pages together, the two little hearts, and a fun little flap idea. So all I'm doing here is going to glue this, and I'm doing it right down the center of that heart. And then this one's just going to go right on top of that. And that will act kind of as my little flap for that little flip page. So it will just open up like that, and we'll have that on either side. Now this page we already did, and I added some little fun little ribbons and lace to the tops of those and decorated these just a hair. You could do more if you wanted, but they're mostly just journaling tags. So. All right, now this very back page here, we made our pocket, and I've stuffed it with some other ephemera that I've made in the past. It's kind of a chunky pocket, but that's okay. And this is just some copy dyed paper just tucked into that, but I just wanted to kind of just have fun and make a little bit of a collage here. So I'm just gonna make it up as I go and just have a little fun with it. So that will just go here, sure. And you know, why not? We'll do a little of our little coffee dyed cheesecloth just to add some texture to it without being bulky. And that can kind of go, let's just put it here. I don't really know, I'm making it up as I go. And then here's just the label. But I don't really like covering up my butterfly. So maybe I come up here. I don't know, maybe we don't need that. Maybe we just do this fun little guy. Oh, I like that. Alright, we're just going to do this fun little guy. It's just from one of the little tag kits that I have in my shop. I'll try to get everything linked up. But that's just fun. Fun little collage for that little pocket. All right, and then on this flap, I am making just another little pocket from the kit. So I'll just glue that on the 3 sides that I don't want anything going in and out of. And you can cut these down to a different size if your little flap is different. Doesn't really matter, but that's going right here, and I'm just gonna leave it a hair up from the bottom just because I think it looks fun to have that little extra paper down at the bottom. And that is just a hair long for this, so I'll trim that. I'll just grab some scissors and trim that right off, and then I can re-ink it and you won't really be able to even tell. There we go. And I have this fun little die cut leaf, kind of pretty. I think that would be a fun addition to it. Something a little different. Put that right here. And a little word would be fun. So I'll just get this lightweight glue because this is just paper. Love today. All right. And then I have this tag that we made in an earlier video. I'll try to find the video and link up to that, but it's just a fun little layered kind of rotating tag for journaling. And that will go right in there in that main pocket. All right, now I'll show you how this is going to go into the journal. That's the finished product. I could go back and add a little more if I wanted, but it's quite chunky as it is, so I probably shouldn't add too much more. All right, so I should have marked where this went in my fun little journal. We'll just put it somewhere for now and then adapt as needed. But let's say, for example, it's going to go right in here in this signature. Then here's how that's going to look. You'll be flipping through the journal and you'll come across this fun little page with a tag. And then this flips out. And then that folds out again with a couple more fun tags to journal on and some journaling space right there. And then when you turn the page, you've got your pocket and you stuff that with whatever you want. So anyway, I've just been having fun with these flip out pages and it was a really fun project. So check out the first two videos if you want to see kind of how we put the rest of it together. Or if you already have, then you don't need to again. But anyway, super fun. And it really has a beautiful effect. So fun for your journals. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.